So in this video, we'll be going over the process of changing the IP address for a myCNC controller using myCNC software on Linux. So as you can see, I've already opened up the myCNC control software, and the computer is currently trying to connect to the controller. However, for the purposes of this exercise, I have set this IP address in the Network tab within the settings incorrectly. And again, for the purposes of this exercise, I will pretend as if I don't know or that I have forgotten the real controller IP address. So what we're going to have to do is change the controller IP address to something I'm going to remember. To do so, first we got to connect the computer and the controller using a cable. So in this case I'm using an ET10 myCNC controller, so it will be a mini USB cable. I've already done so, and after you have done so, you can open up the terminal right here and type in the following command: myCNC -d/ that is /dev/tty USB0 and press enter. And this will display the welcome to myCNC dialog. Next thing is to type in the following command. So pound SLA, and then you type in the IP address you want to switch the IP address of the controller to. In my case, I'm going to switch it to 192.168.4.74. Then press the enter, and the terminal should return this line right here: IP and the IP address that you've entered. At this point, you can close the terminal window, close terminal, and in here you can type in the correct controller IP address. Press the Save Configuration button, and the connection will be established. Thank you for watching. Please visit our documentation at docs.pvautomation.com for more information about myCNC controllers.